JAMB 2020 question 5. IS2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The reaction of E with a halogen Y can give us what? So we want to see what reacting this with an halogen, would give us. So let's see what is the atomic number of these elements. This is 2 plus 2, 4, plus 6, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 3, 15. So this has an atomic number of 15. What element has an atomic number of 15? Phosphorus. So this is what? P. With this atomic number 15. That is 2, 8, 5. Now halogens, this is E. Then our halogen is represented by Y. And we know halogens are group 7 elements. That means they have 7 in their outermost shell. So let's say chlorine, for instance, that's 17. Having 7 in its outermost shell. Chlorine. Okay, that is 2, 8, 7. Now, what's the valency of this? This has valency of 5 and 3. This has valency of 1. The valency is the combining power of an element. So this, when this and this wants to react, for instance, you would have this having valency 3 reacting with Y. So if this cross multiply, you have EY3. Okay, now if this reacts with a valency of 5, remember halogens also still have valency of 1. This becomes, when they cross multiply, this becomes EY5. Just so example is PCl3 and PCl5. So this can go into reaction with EY3 and what? EY5. So our answer is option D. EY3 and EY5.